Hello, everybody, and welcome. As I like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then, of course, bounce around the market and look for something to trade. So, what's been happening in the market? Well, you can see after kind of a rocky road right over here, the last week the market shot up. This is where we always start the S&P 500, the SPY ETF. If we look at the NASDAQ, similar story, except you can see this hasn't gotten back to its all-time highs like the SPY did, which is at all-time highs. Q is still battling, but same story. Been a rocket ship in the last week. And the Russell looks more like the SPY, which is it's at the all-time highs and also made this big move here. So what are we going to trade this week? We are going to go over to Nike, which has had earnings, so that's over with. Volatility is still pretty decent, up here at 34 over here. And you can see it's pretty much stayed in this range for the last couple of months. It got as low as 40 after earnings and it bounced back, but it's kind of stayed around this range. So we're going to skew an iron condor slightly upwards, meaning I'm going to put the put side closer to the stock price than the call side. The intention with that is I'm leaving it more room to run up than down. Like I think it might go down for a while, but I'm thinking like 40 is kind of where it's going to bottom out. Hopefully, that's my assumption. And if it bounces up, it'll kind of go a little bit higher than it would go down. So with that in mind, you can see 40 is kind of where the low has been, and right about just above 45 is where the high has been. And that's only in this last area here of the last few months. So if we go to the trade page, I'll go over here to 40 days instead of 47 because this is way more liquid than this. So liquidity is always key. So tomorrow this will be 39 days. We will go right here to the 40 days. Tomorrow will be 39. I've saved the trouble and set this up for us. And here's exactly what I'm talking about. I put the put side right near its most recent lows. And you can see the stock price is right there at 41.70. So it's just above the put. But I've put the call side with more cushion, right? This is $6 away on the call side, where it's only about $1 or so away on the put side. That's what I mean by skewed. The put side of the iron condor is closer than the call side. And because this is 2.5 wide dollar strikes, I'm looking to collect at least 82 cents or more on this trade. So, assuming everything stays the same, we open up here tomorrow. We're going to go down to 40, up to 47.5, turn this into a $2.5 wide iron condor, and look to collect 82 cents or more. And that is the stock NKE, which is Nike. Hey everyone, I'm a big believer in the old Chinese proverb of give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. And what does that mean in this instance? It means I'm not looking to give you a trade or two. I'm looking to teach you to trade so you can do this on your own and generate your own income for a lifetime. The way I look at it is this is where you all are, and this is where you want to be. And in between is a huge gap of expense, experience, time, etc. But what I'm looking to do is shorten that by building you this bridge. And how do we do that? For anyone who wants clean, simple, reliable guidance, I created the Essential Income System. You get the benefit of a structured, research-backed, experienced trader like myself, and all you need to do is follow along. And no, these aren't make-believe trades. These are fully formed trades that I'm actually doing myself in real time and sending to you in real time that are ready to execute. You don't have to guess, you don't have to stress, you just plug right into a system that works. Now, the important thing about this is, number one, you don't need any prior trading experience to use this because the alerts will give you all the information you need for the trade. I also limit it to 2 to 3 trades per week. I don't want to overwhelm you with trades. That doesn't help. 2 to 3 trades mean you can pick and choose or do them all. They're all designed to be small as possible, meaning like risking a few bucks here, a few bucks there, not big wins, big losses. We want to get you up and trading comfortably. They are going to be sent out in the first hour generally of the market opening. I'm going to give you the complete setup, and I'm also going to show you how to manage these. As they close, you'll get the alerts as well to let you know that they have closed. And all this can realistically be done in less than 15 minutes a day. The point of this is a mindset shift to remove the fear and go from just learning to actually doing. 6 months from now, just imagine getting the same results that I do. And for those interested in not just copying trades, but actually gaining the confidence to create, make, and manage your own trades, I've created the Pro Trader Academy. It's not just alerts and it's not just courses. It's a complete trading system designed to take you from beginner to intermediate to advanced to consistent. What you need is a structured system, not scattered information. The Pro Trader Academy includes the essential income system, but it also includes every course I've ever made, along with every course I will make in the future, plus webinars, plus potential office hours, etc. This is valued at over $2,000. It includes all my beginner courses, which will take you from ground zero to trading defined risk trades. It then steps up to intermediate courses, which adds a few more strategies. And finally gets to advanced courses, which is where the pros live. These are the high risk, high reward, high probability trades of naked options. It also includes my 1-day crash course, which is a 6-hour crash course designed to take you from absolutely ground zero to trading by the end of the day. Now, normally the essential income system is $49 a month, and the Pro Trader Academy is $99 a month. But good news, because you showed up here today, you're in luck. You can get the essential income system for only $1 for the first month, or you can get the Pro Trader Academy for only $19 for the first month by going to sharpertrades.com and using either one of these coupons. And here's the great news. There's absolutely no risk to you, as both of these are month to month and can be canceled at any time. So, again, go to Sharper Trades or use the attached links. Again, there's no risk. You can cancel anytime. Give them a try. Make sure they are for you. And I look forward to having you join me on your journey to financial freedom. Hope to see you there.